What is going on, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome to another episode on CryptoWealthy channel. Today we're going to explain you what is Bitcoin and what is it used for. Now, before we get to that part of the lesson, please don't forget to leave a like, hit that subscribe button if you are new here, and now let's jump into it. Now, I'm going to break down explanation on three main parts you should understand about Bitcoin. Bitcoin is a decentralized peer-to-peer cryptocurrency. In order you to understand what decentralization actually means, I'm going to stick for a while on topic about centralized system. It basically means that every system in today's world is under control of some entity, which can steer and control a system as they like. Such a system is not well protected, has a lot of flaws, and they are often unsecure for storing people's value and data. System like that could be abused by hackers with exploits using them to discover vulnerable sides of that same system, making them powerful enough to control those kind of systems, or even crash them with DDoS attacks, making your data and money completely exposed and vulnerable. Now when we understand the centralized system are controlled by someone, we can say the decentralized blockchain has no one to control it. It's based on cryptography, making it very difficult to hack or attack on any sort of way, which we're going to discuss in some other video, why Bitcoin blockchain is almost impossible to turn off or hack. As far as the peer-to-peer system is concerned, it's the main reason why Bitcoin is so powerful. Destroying middlemen is the main goal for Bitcoin, as much as centralization in previous explanation. But I'm going to talk about peer-to-peer a little bit later on dedicated slide in order to explain it in more details. Now, both of decentralization and peer-to-peer makes Bitcoin digital cryptocurrency, which basically means that system is built on cryptography, making it secure to use and free of any central entity, giving it total transparency. Total number of bitcoins that can ever be made or mined is 21 millions. Around 18 million bitcoins is already mined and in circulation, while total number of coins will be mined by the year 2140 approximately. One interesting fact about the Bitcoin is that many people lost their private keys or even forgot what their Bitcoin public addresses are. That means that around 4 to 6 millions of Bitcoins are gone forever, which brings us to the fact that price of Bitcoin will rise because those Bitcoins could never ever be sold on the market, which means that this currency is deflationary and not inflationary as US dollar is or any other fiat currency. Now let's discuss about peer-to-peer transaction. What is peer-to-peer transaction and why is it so important? Now, as we discussed in previous slides, centralized based network are those that has middlemen or some entity which represents nothing more than an obstacle when you want to send money to someone. Middleman needs to approve the transaction and it will cost you a lot in fee in order to transaction go smoothly and also takes a lot of time. While peer-to-peer network represent transaction with no entity in between you and other person which should receive the money from you. So in this case, in order to send money, the other nodes and miners are confirming the transaction and your money is safely on its way to another side. Your Bitcoin is safe in Bitcoin wallet locked with the private key, so the only person that has access to that wallet and Bitcoin money is you and no one else. No banks, no government and no authorities can take your money away from you or stop these kind of transactions to go from one to another side. This gives you total freedom with your funds, which means that the only person who should have control under your own funds is you. In the next video on CryptoWealthy channel, we're going to discuss about what is mining and how it works. Thank you very much for watching. Really hope you learned something new today. Please don't forget to leave a like and hit that subscribe button if you aren't already. And do let us know in the comment section down below what do you think about Bitcoin and what kind of a video you would like to see on this channel. Until the next episode. Bye bye.